I bet there are tons of awesome bricks inside this box. Let's see who can build the most powerful ride. Bricks ready? Battle! Let us begin! Let's open both of these up. Wow, these bricks look so colorful. I've got some silver pieces over here too. I'm gonna speed build the chassis real quick. Snapping these blocks onto the chassis. Ta-da! Wait, where's the main body of the car? No worries, I've got a quick fix for this. Check it out, got the body ready right here. Wow, that's pretty cool. One of the arms is missing. Let's see what else I've got. Man, this sucks! I've got to figure out another way. Aha! I've got it! Let's see what's inside here. Ah, here it is! Ta-da! Leo, what did you get? I've got a whole bunch of new bricks. Looks like you're almost done with your ride, but it's fine. I've got a secret weapon that no one can resist. Leo! What is that? Wow, that's a massive haul! It's mine! All mine! Alright, that's enough! Time to finish up the ride. Not too shabby. What? King already finished his car? Gotta snap on the other arm real quick. It looks sick! King, let's kick off the challenge with these two rides.
Round 1.
If your ride drops even one single brick, you lose. All right, challenge starts now.
3, 2, 1, go!
Haha, your car just lost a brick. No big deal, keep pushing, Optimus. I'm taking the win! What? How did that even happen? Your ride is way too fragile. Oh no, my car!
Round 2.
First one to pull down the opponent wins! Take this!
3, 2, 1, go!
Haha, I win! Optimus, fly mode! Oh no, my bot! Wow, King, did you see that? You got lucky, Leo! Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to see my comeback in the next video. Bye!